Good day everyone, we are going to discuss about what is Bloom's taxonomy of 1956 and what is the difference from the revised Bloom's taxonomy of 2001 to the latter. Stay tuned! What is Bloom's taxonomy of 1956? Is a classification system used to define a distinguish different levels of human cognition, for example, thinking, learning, and understanding. What is the difference from the revised Bloom's taxonomy of 2001 to the latter? It uses verbs instead of nouns, and according to Anderson's revised Bloom's taxonomy to be more adaptive to our current age by proposing another taxonomy that will most curriculum designers, teachers, and students needs better than the Bloom's one. Based on the presentation, why do you need the revised Bloom's taxonomy in creating test questions? Because it provides a valuable framework for teachers, trainers, and instructional designers to use to focus on higher overthinking by providing a hierarchy of thinking. Both versions can help in developing tasks or creating questions and constructing problems. Based on the presentation, create at least 2 questions per cognitive level and explain why it belongs to that level. I choose the level of remembering to define what is Bloom's taxonomy. This can the student recall or remember the information. Second level is the understanding. This is the questions is select the different cognitive levels. This can the student explain ideas or concepts.